Welcome RM Touch CCNA Practical Labs. In this lesson, we will learn how to make configuration IP for version 6 with global unicast address link local address with SLAAC DHCP version 6 configurations. So, in this topology consists of two sites. In these two sites connected this router. So, in this interface, we'll use this global unicast address IP address and this link local IP address, and also this another site uses this global unicast address and this link local address. So to start in our configuration, first we will configure IP version 6 addresses to the routers include both links, local link address and global unicast address. So to start in our configuration, click this router, and first step we will make enable IP version 6. So now enable config IP version 6 unicast routing. Okay, then come this interface gigabyte 01, interface gigabyte 0/0. We will give this IP address global unicast address. Click the router, interface gigabyte 0/0, first no shutdown, and then IP version 6 address copy, and then we will give 1, and don't forget the subnet mask. Okay, now we finish for the configuring IP version 6 global unicast address. So then you will write IP version 6 address, then copy the link local IP address, then don't forget to define link local, then save your configuration. So now we finish for the configuring IP version 6 in this ports. So come this another interface gigabyte 01, interface gigabyte 01, no shutdown, IP version 6 address global, then copy this one global unicast address. So we'll copy in this one, and don't forget the subnet mask. So now we finish for the config, giving the IP address for the global unicast address. Okay, the next one for the configuring link local address, IP version 6 address. I will copy this link local IP address, and then link local, then save your configuration. So now we finish for the configuring IP version 6 addresses to the routers include both links, local unicast, local link, and the global unicast address. So in the next step, we'll configure IP version 6 on the VCs on each LAN. and we'll configure one manually and another put to automatic mode. So click this PC and click the desktop, change into automatic. You see the IP version 6 request successful. So come this another PC, come to desktop and then change into automatic IP version 6. So you see IP version 6 request is successful. So come this another third PC to check if it receives the IP version 6 or not. And also this one is request successful. Come this another site B to check, and also IP version 6 request successful. Okay, come this another second PC. Okay, and come this third PC. IP version 6 request is successful. So now we are going to make a configure in this PC and this PC as a static. So first, I will test. So come this PC, copy this PC, this is an global unicast address, and come this PC, you see they can ping. So it means site 1 can ping site B. So I am going to make a configuration SLAAC and static. So I am going to only make static this IP, this PC and this PC. So as a static. So copy this global unicast address and come this PC, come to IP and change into static. So then copy and we will give any number. We will give this one 10, and the default gateway it will be 1. So don't forget for the subnet mask, then close. Come this another PC to give static IP address, IP version 6 address. Come this, copy this IP address and come this PC, close this and change into static, and then paste in here, and then give 10 or 20 any number, and don't forget the subnet mask and come. Okay, it changes. Okay, come in here, copy, come this PC, change into static, 10. Okay, now it takes. So we are going to test. So come this PC, and I am going to ping this PC, ipconfig, copy come this PC and come to CMD, ping burst. You see, they can ping. And I am going to ping this PC into this PC.